celebration going on. Apparently it's a function put on to celebrate the opening of the station, the new station, which I guess it's an awesome thing. Let's have a look. We have been told that it's a little function to thank the community for putting up with all the, I guess, inconvenience whilst they were building the station. So that's quite a nice gesture, I thought. There's a radio station here, GDR 95.7. Well, let's have a look around. Area for having markets, etc. There's a coffee going on here. I don't know if the coffees are free or not, but probably get in line if it's free. That's quite nice. It's looks really good. Sensational job in the station. They've retained the old building, but you know, they've obviously built the underground station, which looks fantastic. I've taken it several times, and yeah, they've done a great job on it. So as you can see, this is the old station behind me. They've retained that. It still looks fantastic, you know, but they've done a pretty good job, I think, maintaining the heritage of the place. I think it's a great gesture that the government's put on, and thanking the community for all the bloody inconvenience. It wasn't much really, it was quite good. Okay, let's head off. The new station behind me. Let's take a look, go for a walk.